What up, guys? I just got my coilovers today. I went with Function Form Type 1s. Gonna unbox them and install them. Alright, so I just opened it up. Here's everything that it came with. So they got a little like booklet or whatever you want to call it. It says thank you, Function Form. Got a bunch of stickers though. Function Form. Limited lifetime warranty. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Not bad. Then they got the spanner wrenches to adjust the coilovers. Now we got the coilovers. What? They even give you a tape measure. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I just got it open. Sorry you can't see me. Here's what it looks like. I know most of you guys have heard about these or used them. A buddy of mine said they weren't so bad for the price. Alright, so now I'm in the garage. I'm about to install the coilovers. Start, taking it apart, whatever. Yeah, so sorry, it's kind of cold out here. Minnesota. It's like what, 20 degrees? Maybe even colder than that. Got my little heater on. Trying to upgrade my heater in here, but kind of costs a decent amount of money. Sorry, the garage is a mess. Don't want to do much when it's cold. But yeah, hopefully it looks good when it's lowered. Should be like any other coilover installation. I'm not too sure though, so bear with me. It's my first time doing it on a TSX. Usually I've been doing it on Civics and shit, so that's nothing.
Several days later.
Alright, so I finished the install. I lowered it for daily use for now. They go really low, and I could go lower, but I'm waiting to get my lip kit and wheels to know for sure what I want to lower it to. But it's fine for now, and looks pretty good, I would say. So yeah, check it out.